Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a vehicle that continues to set benchmarks in the compact sedan segment. Whether you're considering a reliable daily driver or a fuel-efficient hybrid, the 2025 Corolla offers a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Let's explore what makes this model stand out. Performance and powertrain. The 2025 Corolla provides a variety of powertrain options to cater to diverse driving preferences. The standard gasoline model is equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 169 horsepower and 151 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. For those prioritizing fuel efficiency, the Corolla Hybrid features a 1.8-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine combined with electric motor generators. This setup offers a net system horsepower of 121, providing a balanced mix of performance and remarkable fuel economy. New for 2025, the performance-oriented GR Corolla now offers an 8-speed automatic transmission as a $2,000 option. This model boasts a 1.6-liter three-cylinder turbocharged engine, producing an impressive 300 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-feet of torque, catering to enthusiasts seeking a more spirited driving experience. Fuel efficiency. The Corolla's design emphasizes fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The standard 2.0-liter engine achieves an EPA estimated 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. The Corolla Hybrid excels in this area, offering an EPA estimated 53 miles per gallon in the city and 52 miles per gallon on the highway. This efficiency is achieved through Toyota's proven hybrid technology, allowing drivers to spend more time on the road and less at the pump. Exterior design. The 2025 Corolla maintains its sleek and modern aesthetic, featuring a bold front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined profile. The available blackout package adds a touch of sophistication with black emblem overlays and alloy wheel locks, enhancing the vehicle's sporty appeal. The GR Corolla variant stands out with its aggressive styling cues, including a redesigned front bumper to accommodate enhanced cooling components, reflecting its high-performance capabilities. Interior comfort and technology. Inside, the Corolla offers a driver-focused cabin with quality materials and intuitive controls. The standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims provide additional comforts such as synthetic leather upholstery, heated front seats, and a premium JBL audio system, elevating the overall driving experience. Safety features. Toyota prioritizes safety across all Corolla models. The 2025 edition comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. Additional available safety features encompass blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, providing drivers with enhanced awareness and confidence on the road. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Corolla is available in several trims to suit varying preferences and budgets. The base model offers essential features at an affordable price point. L adds conveniences like automatic climate control and a larger touchscreen. Say introduces sportier styling elements and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. XLE enhances comfort with premium materials and advanced technology features. XSE combines luxury and sportiness for a dynamic driving experience. Pricing starts at approximately $22,000 for the base L trim, with higher trims and hybrid variants commanding higher prices based on added features and capabilities. Consumer reviews and reliability. The 2025 Corolla has garnered positive feedback from consumers. On Edmunds, it holds an average rating of 3 out of 5 stars based on 38 reviews, with owners praising its reliability and fuel efficiency. Similarly, Kelley Blue Book reports that 77% of owners recommend the 2025 Corolla, highlighting its dependable performance and stylish design. Conclusion: the 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to uphold its legacy of reliability, efficiency, and modern design, with a range of powertrains, including a fuel-sipping hybrid and a performance-focused GR variant. There's a Corolla to match every driver's needs. Its blend of advanced safety features, comfortable interior, and sleek styling ensures that the Corolla remains a top choice in the compact sedan market. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things automotive. The backside of the 2025 Toyota Corolla features a sleek and modern design, enhancing its sporty and sophisticated appeal. The taillights have been refined with sharp LED accents that wrap around the rear fenders, providing a distinctive nighttime signature. The trunk lid is subtly sculpted, integrating seamlessly with the bumper for a clean and aerodynamic look. For sportier trims like the SE and XSE, the Corolla comes with a rear spoiler and a more aggressive lower bumper design, adding to its dynamic presence. The exhaust outlets vary by trim, with the GR Corolla boasting a triple exit exhaust for a high-performance look. Toyota has also improved rear visibility by optimizing the design of the rear windshield and C-pillar, making parking and reversing easier. The Corolla hybrid models maintain a similar rear design but feature hybrid badging to differentiate them. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Corolla's rear design balances style and functionality, with a practical trunk space, modern LED lighting, and sporty elements that appeal to a wide range of drivers. Whether you choose a base model or a performance-oriented variant, the Corolla's backside complements its overall refined and contemporary aesthetic. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.